Nowadays, many of us scroll Instagram, but before getting this Instagram app, many of us use ShareChat. Are you thinking why I am talking about ShareChat? Wait, ShareChat is now hiring software engineering intern. If you are pursuing BTech and graduating in 2026, then you are eligible for this. In this video, I am going to share you everything you need to know about this internship. I am not only sharing you the basic details of this internship, but also I am going to share you the eligibility criteria, required skills, how to apply. So stay with me till the end of this video because even if you skip 1 second of this video, you might miss an important information about this opportunity. Hey everyone, this is Sai and I am on a mission to bring you high value, life-changing career content for all the engineering students across India. Today we are diving deep into one of the most prestigious internship, ShareChat SDE Internship. So now let's dive in. Firstly, let's talk about the ShareChat. ShareChat is one of the India's largest profitable homegrown social media platform with 200 plus million monthly active users across all its platforms, including Moj, a leading short video app which was launched in a record of 30 hours. It is founded in October 2015. Now they are hiring SD interns. In this video, I am going to break down everything you need to know about this internship, so don't skip even a second of this video. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. If you are pursuing BTech and graduating in 2026 from computer science or any related field, then you are eligible for this. Application may end up at any time, so apply as soon as possible. Application link will be attached in the description. You can go and check it out. And now let's talk about the required skills. Firstly, you should have strong software development fundamentals such as data structures, algorithms, problem solving, object-oriented design, and system architectures. And you should be excellent in verbal and written communication and interpersonal skills. And you should have self-motivated attitude with the ability to multitask and thrive in a timeline-driven environment. And now let's talk about the internship location. The location of the internship is in Bangalore. It is completely hybrid. You will work from home for 3 days and you will work in the office for 3 days. And now let's talk about what you will be doing after getting this internship. You are going to develop, test, debug and maintain software applications, and you are going to develop software modules as per the specification on time, and you are going to define metrics and implement code for diagnostics and performance monitoring. You are going to work through analysis, design, implementation, integration and testing and deployment phase of project delivery. You are going to learn and implement new technologies quickly and efficiently. And now let me tell you how to apply for this. Firstly, go to the description of our video. You will see the application link, then click on it. Then you will be redirected to the LinkedIn. Then you have to click easy apply. Then it will ask you some basic details. You have to fill your basic details and upload all your details. Then click on save and apply. Then your application will be submitted. And before ending up this video, let me tell you some super important information that I have started Instagram channel where I have sharing every latest opportunity on time. So don't forget to follow us on Instagram so you will get an instant updates. And I have also started a 30 days 30 internship series where I will share you a new internship, a new opportunity for you. So don't miss these opportunities. Follow me on Instagram and don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and subscribe to Beyond BTech so you never miss any update from me. Then see you in the next one with an amazing opportunity. Until then, keep learning and keep going. This is I signing off.